Hi content creators, today we will create this cool lightning effect. Watch to the end and I will show you how to add an image as well. Subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Let's go. Create a new Fusion composition and go into the Fusion page. Let's start with text. I will call it Cool Beans. And let's change the font. Let's add the next node called Edge Detect. Go to Mode and change it to Grayscale Edges. Decrease the edge width. Now select Edge Detect and add a Fast Noise node. It will add a Merge node automatically. Select the Merge node and change the Apply mode to Multiply. Make sure you have these two screens activated and select the Fast Noise node and press 1 to display it on the left. Select the Fast Noise node and go to the Color tab and select Gradient. Now we have this black background. Go back to Noise and increase the detail and contrast. The brightness will determine the amount of lightning there will be, up for more and down for less. Where the scale will determine where the lightning will be on the text or image. Increase the seed rate so that it is not static. So you should have something like this. Next, add a Displace node. And another Fast Noise node and connect it to the green input. Select the Displace node and change the type to XY. Now change the settings on the X refraction and Y refraction. You will notice that the text is moving when you change these values. So in order to keep the text at the same point, decrease the X and Y offset. Now you will see we are starting to create the lightning. Now in this Fast Noise node, I will increase the detail a bit. The scale will determine the size of the warp, where decreasing it will have less motion and increasing it will have more motion. You can play around with these settings until you find something that works for you. Next, copy the Displace node and paste it and add another Fast Noise node. On this Fast Noise node, I will increase the detail and scale all the way and decrease contrast a bit. I will also increase the seed rate. Looks pretty good. Okay, next we can get rid of this black background. So just add a Luma key and it will automatically remove the background. To get a cool glow effect, we will add multiple glows. So let's start with the first one. I am going to decrease the gain and take the glow size all the way down. Copy this glow node and paste. Double click on the glow size to reset or just change the value to 10. I will increase the gain slightly. Make one more copy. Here I will decrease the gain a little and then increase the glow size. Now we can change the color of the lightning by adding a color corrector. I will go with this color. To get the lightning on your text, we have to do the following. Add a Merge node. Take the output of the text and drag it to the yellow input of the Merge node. Take the output of the color corrector or your last node and connect it to the green input of the Merge node. Click on the circle and here you have an idea what it will look like. To make it look a little more realistic, select the Merge node and set the Apply mode to Screen. To get the lightning effect on the media out, just disconnect the yellow line here and drag the output of the Merge node and connect it to the media out. Let's do something fun and animate the words to change. Select the text node and move forward in the timeline. Let's rather go with frame 16. Move forward and change the wording. Move forward again and change the wording. Now you have this cool lightning effect and some animation. Now for the bonus, you can even add an image. Hold Alt and drag this fusion composition and drag it on top. Let's add an image. Look how easy it is. Disconnect both of these yellow lines by clicking on them and just connect the image. Now you have this cool effect on your image. Let me just resize this and make a few adjustments. Let's now change the color of the text lightning to red. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here are some more video tutorials on Davinci Resolve. See you next time.